Hello friends, this is Santipan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have learned all about object-oriented programming in Python, covering the concepts of classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction in great details with hands-on examples. If you missed it, I do recommend to check that out. Today, we are going to explore something incredibly powerful that will make your text processing super easy: regular expressions. Whether you want to validate email addresses, extract phone numbers from text, or clean messy data, regular expressions are your go to tool. In this video, we will start from the basics and build up to some real world examples that you can use in your projects right away. Stay with me till the end as we will be building a practical password validator as a bonus project that will check password strength using regular expression. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Regular expressions, often called regex or regex, are special character sequences that defines a search pattern. We can use it to check whether a text matches a particular pattern, extract parts of it, or replace it. Think of them as a super powerful find and replace tool. Instead of searching for exact text like hello, you can search patterns like any email address or any phone number. For example, if we want to find all email address in a document, instead of searching emails one by one, we can use a regex pattern that matches a email structure and then perform a search to find all the email addresses by matching with that pattern. So, here's why we use regular expressions. They help us validate user input like email, phone numbers, or passwords, search and extract specific patterns from large text, replace or clean data efficiently, parse and process text files, and many more. So let's see these in action. To use regex in Python, we need to import the RE module. Now let's start with the simplest usage of regex, which is searching. Suppose we have this text: hello, welcome to Python programming. Python is awesome. We can use the search function from RE module to find the word Python in this text like this. It's returning a match object showing that Python was found at a specific position. The search function scans through the entire string and returns the first match it finds. We can try searching for something that doesn't exist. And this time it returns none because Java is not present in our text. Now here's something important. The search function only finds the first occurrence, but there's another function called findAll that finds all the occurrences. This returned a list combining all matches of Python in this text. So here it found two occurrences of Python. Now that we are getting ready to dive deeper into regex, let's unlock the real power of it with special characters, also known as meta characters. These characters have special meanings and help us create flexible patterns. First comes the dot character. It matches any single character except a new line. For example, consider we have a text like this. Notice there is a common pattern in each of the words. Now in this text, if we want to search for words which starts with C and ends with T and having one character in the middle, we can write our regex like this. As you can see, the dot matches any character between C and T, hence it found cat. But what if we want to match cat, bat, and hat all together? There we can use square brackets to define a set of characters like this. This pattern matches any string starts with C, B, or H followed by AT. So it found cat, bat, and hat, but not mat. Next comes qualifiers. These are super powerful for matching repeated patterns. The asterisk symbol denotes zero or more occurrences. So if we have a text containing some words like this, and we apply this regex pattern search using asterisks, say it matches CT, CAT, CAAT, and CAAT. All because the asterisk allows zero or more occurrences of A. But if we want to match at least one or more occurrences of the word, we can use the plus instead of asterisk. So this time CT is not matching because plus requires at least one A. Now another special character is the question mark, which matches 0 or 1 occurrence only, making something optional. Suppose we have this text and we are searching for the word colored, but if you see the spelling, somewhere it's COLOR colored and somewhere it's COLOUR with an optional U in it. In this case, we can form the regex this way. With a question mark after the U. It matches both COLOR colored and COLOUR colored because the U is marked optional now. We can also specify the exact number of occurrences using curly braces this way. Here, \d indicates any digit, and the curly braces specify we want only one or two digits. So it matches file 1, file 2, and file 3, taking only one or two digits after file. You might have noticed a special R prefix before the pattern. Whenever we write regex patterns in Python, we have to use this R prefix before the pattern string because this tells Python to treat it as a raw string, which means backslashes are treated literally, not as escape characters. This is super important for regex to work correctly with special characters having slashes. Now, there are some commonly used special sequences. \d matches any digit from 0 to 9. \w matches any word character like letters, digits, or underscore. \s matches any white space characters like space, tab, or new line. Now, as we have learned about the special characters and meta characters, let's explore some more functions in the RE module that we will use most often. We have already seen the search and find all. Now let's look at match. Let's define a text. Now we can use the match function to search for a match. One thing to note is that the match function only checks if the pattern matches at the beginning of the string. If we try this, this returns none because awesome is not at the beginning. So remember, match checks from the start while search scans the entire string. Next, the sub function, which is used for substitutions. So suppose we have the following string and let's perform substitution of Java with Python in the given text. So as you can see, this replaces all occurrences of Java with Python. Another useful function is split, which splits a string based on a pattern. So consider the following text. and apply the split function like this. This splits the string wherever it finds a comma, semicolon, or colon, giving us a clean list of roots. Now, before we move forward, let's quickly practice what we have learned so far with some real examples. The first one is extracting words from a bunch of messy text. Consider the following text. On it, we will run a find all function with the /w plus pattern. So this extracts all the words, ignoring other unwanted characters. Let's try another one, simple email validator. If we have an email like this, we can create the pattern to find the email like this. This checks if the text matches a basic email pattern and prints valid if there's a match, else invalid. Now Regex has a lot more to offer. There are some really powerful advanced features like groups, back references, and flags that can make your pattern even more flexible and powerful. And of course, we have that password validator project I mentioned at the beginning. But as this tutorial is already getting lengthy and there's still quite a bit to cover, in the next video we will continue with the remaining advanced topics like groups and back references, regex flags, and we will build our final password validator project step by step. This topic may feel a bit heavy, so before we go, here's a task for you. Try writing your own patterns, experiment with different special characters and functions we covered, and post those into the comment section. So that covers all about the basics of regular expressions in Python. In this video, we have learned what regular expressions are and why they are so powerful, the RE module and its main functions like search, find all, match, sub, split, some special characters and qualifiers for creating flexible patterns, and some real life examples like words extractor and email validator. If you missed any of the points, make sure to rewatch it and it will definitely be clear. But if you still have any doubt, feel free to comment down below. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents like this. Hope to see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye.